In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture AI meeting notes with Genspark on your Apple Watch. We're going to walk through the entire flow from starting a recording on your wrist to reviewing clean AI generated notes you can save or share. This approach keeps you hands-free in the room while ensuring every important point is captured. Begin by opening Genspark Meeting Notes on your Apple Watch. You'll see the app's main screen with a clear option to begin. As long as you've already set it up on your phone, the Watch app is ready to go the moment you launch it. Next, start recording the meeting from the watch. Tap the record control and look for a simple confirmation like a timer or waveform that shows audio is being captured. Hold your wrist naturally. The watch mic works best when it isn't covered by sleeves or rubbing against a surface. Speak clearly when it's your turn, and avoid placing the watch next to anything noisy, like a laptop fan. While the meeting is happening, keep the watch active. A quick wrist raise, a gentle tap on the screen, or a slight turn of the digital crown helps keep the display awake so you can glance at the timer and confirm it's still rolling. Avoid pressing the side button or covering the display, which can pause or exit your view. It helps to start with enough battery so the watch can stay attentive the whole time. When the meeting wraps up, stop the recording and let Genspark sync the file to your phone or account. This usually happens automatically over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Keep your watch near your phone for a moment so the transfer can complete smoothly. If the sync takes a bit, just give it a minute. Larger recordings naturally need more time. Now, wait for the AI meeting notes to be generated. Processing time can vary with the length of your recording, but you'll typically see a notification or a ready status in the app. There's nothing extra you need to do here. Just let the service work. After the notes are ready, review the notes and summary. Open them on your phone or web dashboard, skim the summary to grasp the key points, and scan the main notes for decisions, action items, and follow-ups. Make any quick edits to clarify names, dates, or deliverables. Finally, save or share the final meeting notes. Use the app's share or export options to send them to your team, add them to your preferred note system, or store them in your account for future reference. And that's the entire workflow. Simple, reliable, and right from your wrist.